Okay. To access, to start, go to your Word manual. I'm going to show you how to use your Word manual to its fullest capacity. For those of you that haven't taken OT 101 and you're struggling with these documents, go right here to Save. See all these? These tell you how to do it. So if you need to bold something, it will show you page number, page break, bullets and numbering, cut and copy. These are the basic functions in Word that you should know in OT 102. If you didn't take OT 101, you are probably struggling with all this. Okay? Italic and underline, envelopes and labels. Okay? So all these tell you. Here at bold, it will show you what to use to bold. You can do Control B, you can click on the bold button. These give you the definition. Have to press Enter. All this stuff is basic functions in Word. If you want to know how to do certain hang on. I don't know why. Oops. Let's do that. There we go. Okay. One page business report. You can go here. It will show you the format of it, how you're supposed to do it. You can, in word processing, it will show you contents. It will show you how to do basic reports. GDP start can show you how to get started. Tells you all about the ribbon. Again, this was basic stuff you should have learned in OT 101. If you did not take OT 101 and jumped right into OT 102, definitely going to struggle. But this reference manual has everything that you need. Use it. You paid for it. Right? This one is using Microsoft in the Word place. How to do stuff. Alright, if you want to look up how to set up letters, this tells you File, Save, where it says R something, like here, R5, R3, if it tells you memo, letter, folding, international, we're not doing, you skip right over those sections. But if it tells you how to do, let's see, a letter folding, letter head, multi-page, you click on this, it will show you how to do it. The X 2 times means 2 enters. Right? So this shows you all how to do it. It's all there in your reference manual. There should be a title page, transmittal memo, table of contents, multi-page, business report, academic report, left bound, bibliography, memory report, APA. It is all there for you. Take advantage of it. Okay? Hope this helps. If not, let me know.